Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A60, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, let's open up the standalone contacts app, which is right here, and from there tap on the three bars right here and go into manage contacts, and then choose import or export contacts, and then tap on the first one, so import contacts. Choose from SIM card, or SIM, there we go, and then simply select the contacts that you wish to import. So just simply tap on them like so, and you can select them all by tapping right here. So just tap right there and every contact gets selected, and then you can deselect the ones that, for instance, you might not want. And once you're satisfied, simply tap on the done button right here and select where you want to import them to. So you have two options, at least I do. Number one is the phone, obviously, and then the second one is the Google account. Now the second option will only be visible if you're logged into Google. If you're not, then you'll only have the phone. So select which one you want. I'm gonna stick with the phone and tap on import. Okay, and basically we're done. The contacts have been now imported to your device. So that is how you would import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.